Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for navigating the world of YouTube. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a playlist from a short video on YouTube using your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Next, find the short video that you want to add to your playlist. Go to the watch page of that particular video by clicking on it. Step 3. On the watch page, locate the More icon, represented by 3 dots. Click on it to open a menu with additional options. Step 4. Within the menu, you'll find the Save option, represented by 3 lines and a plus icon. Click on it to save the video to a playlist. Step 5. Now, click on the Create New Playlist option, represented by a plus icon. This will allow you to create a new playlist specifically for this video. Step 6. Enter a name for your playlist. Step 7. Use the box provided to select your playlist's privacy setting. If you want it to be private and viewable only by you, select the appropriate option. Step 8. Finally, click on the Create button to create your playlist. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to create a playlist from a short video on YouTube using your PC. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.